Okay, so in this presentation, we will discuss how you can stop snoring naturally from simple snoring exercises that will permanently eliminate snoring and give you an awesome sleep every night. So before we discuss exercises to help you stop snoring, let us talk about why one snores. What causes snoring? Snoring occurs when tissues in the throat relax enough, they partially obstruct the airway. When throat muscles relax, it results in a narrowed airway, resulting in more forceful airflow which causes snoring. The picture on the left shows how relaxed muscles of the throat partially block airway and cause snoring. There's often confusion between snoring and sleep apnea. Here we explain the difference between both of them. A snorer is one who breathes noisily during sleep but does not suffer from sleep apnea, a condition where breathing momentarily cuts off. Sleep apnea, on the other hand, is snoring in its severe form, and it is also known as obstructive sleep apnea. The picture on the right shows sleep apnea patient using the CPAP machine. The following issues are faced by snorers: low quality of sleep resulting in daytime sleepiness and fatigue, weight gain, aging skin, memory loss, high blood pressure, and in some cases, it may cause drift in your relationship. Now let us discuss snoring treatments. Typical treatments to provide temporary relief to snoring include usage of nasal strips, dental devices, anti-snoring sprays, anti-snoring pillows, and in severe form, surgery may be the option. On the other hand, natural treatments to stop snoring include breathing, facial, tongue, and throat muscle strengthening exercises. It may also be noted that lifestyle changes like weight loss or avoiding alcohol are beneficial. Here are some pictures of the treatments we discussed before: nasal strips, anti-snoring sprays, anti-snoring devices, natural cure including natural exercises and yoga, and incorporating healthy lifestyle changes. Now let us discuss a few snoring exercises that are really beneficial for you. The first exercise is the chewing gum exercise. Pretend that you're chewing a gum. The chewing exercises your mouth, tongue, and jaws. Try daily for 5 to 10 minutes. Next up is the tongue stretch exercise. Stretch your tongue out of your mouth as far as you can in all directions. Gradually increase duration of your tongue stretch. Here are the steps to perform the third snoring exercise. Open your mouth as wide as you can for a few seconds and then close, making sure the lips are tightly closed together. Repeat 8 to 10 times daily. What this exercise does, it basically strengthens your throat muscles so that they do not block your airway. The fourth exercise that I'm going to discuss is known as the tongue slide. Looking straight ahead, position the tip of your tongue against the back of your top front teeth. Slide your tongue backwards. Repeat this exercise 10 times. The purpose of this exercise is to tone and strengthen the tongue and throat muscles. Here are the few healthy tips for snorers. Maintain a good sitting posture while at work. Morning walk or stretching exercises are really beneficial for you. Laugh and stay happy. Always put a smile on your face. Try to avoid alcohol. Thank you very much for watching this video. We hope these exercises and tips will help you stop snoring. For a complete set of stop snoring exercises and instructional videos on how to perform them, visit stopsnoring.co.nf or the link in the video description. Stop your snoring today. Visit stopsnoring.co.nf. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.